Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add rotation equation in word shortcut. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add rotation equation in this document using keyboard shortcut. Firstly, press Alt on our keyboard. Then press N. Then press E. Then press M. Then we can see here many equations. We find and select the rotation equation using the down arrow on our keyboard. Then press enter on our keyboard. Now we can see we added rotation equation in this document using keyboard shortcut very easily. You can change any formula or apply another formula. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.